So we have this concept of a happy place, that really wonderful place that we'd most like to be. And especially at times of distress or upset, we may say, I'm going to my happy place, going to my happy place, and we try to imagine ourselves being in that place. And it's great to have a happy place, and certainly there are going to be places that we prefer. There are many places I would prefer to be than sitting in an airport for several extra hours because my flight just got delayed. But when we say I'm going to go to my happy place, it suggests that I can't be happy where I am right now. And how much more empowering if we can say, any place can be my happy place. It may not be my preferred place, but I can be happy where I am, right here, right now. Let's give it a try. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to make this my happy place. And I choose to love and accept myself. I'm open to the possibility that any place can be my happy place. And I choose to love and honor myself. I'm giving myself permission to be happy wherever I am. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And everybody else who's all around me. Because I choose to feel that free. I'm allowing any place to be my happy place. I'm choosing that my happy place is wherever I happen to find myself. I am where I am right now. And it may not be everybody's happy place. But wherever I find myself, I'm giving myself permission to be happy. There are other places I might prefer. Other places where I might allow myself to be happier. But I'm open to the possibility that I can be happy here. That this can be my happy place. At least for the moment. And wherever I find myself next, then that can be my happy place. I can have lots of happy places. So why not let the one I'm in be one of them? Clearing the resistance to that. Clearing it at a cellular level. Clearing it all the way back through my past. Clearing any reason why this can't be my happy place. Clearing any reason why I can't make any place my happy place. Wherever I'm at, there may be things about it that make it more challenging to be happy. And I'm still giving myself permission to be happy. Because I have that power. Allowing myself to be happier right here and right now. Because I'm worthy and deserving of that. In body, mind, and spirit. deep breath. Let it go. And it's great because the happier you allow yourself to be, you spread that, makes the world a better place. So thanks for doing that. And whenever anything else gets in the way, I'm here for you. I mean, not here in the airport, but here online. Thanks. And now this is my new happy place. Thank you for tapping along with me. I hope you're already experiencing a greater freedom to feel better, do better, and live better. Now you can help me be of service to even more folks by clicking like, commenting, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. Please and thank you. Be sure to get your free Success Beyond Belief program. Just click the link in the description box down below. And since nothing is so good it can't get better, I hope you'll allow yourself even greater freedom to succeed by tapping along with this video right here. Thanks.